Hi and welcome back. We are the YouTube channel which looks at different trading robots on the internet. Today's trading robot returned 8K from a 10K, so it went from 10 to 18K in 7 months, and that's January 2020 to July 2020, and it's a MACD or Moving Average Convergence Divergence forex robot. For those who understand technical analysis, it's one of the very common and widely used indicators. So looking at this trading robot and running the optimization, we managed to get an 80% return on the money. And we managed to do that with a 9.6% drawdown. Of the trades, 55% were winning trades, and we managed to get a profit factor of 1.61, which I think is pretty good and probably the highest so far on all of the trading robots which we've looked at in the series. This trading robot uses Metatrader 4 as opposed to Metatrader 5. I mentioned before it uses a MACD indicator, and this is another trading robot which is in the public domain. Well, actually, it is a free version. It's a cut down version which works perfectly well. It doesn't have all the features of the pro version, and we've done all our testing on the free one anyway. So this is the one we're looking at, and it works and it's free for download. Absolutely no cost at all. As with my other videos, the format of the video will be to have a word with regards to brokers and VPS. Then we'll get into the backtest. We'll look at the backtest in detail, and finally how to install, download, and configure the trading robot. Brokers and VPS. So obviously with Metatrader 4, you can select a wide range of different brokers. Now there must be thousands of brokers which use the Metatrader 4 platform. And my first comment really is not all brokers are created equally. What that means is even though they use Metatrader 4, the way that they conduct their business, the way that they set up their infrastructure is all different. And when you're trading with live money, and depending on the broker to execute your trades properly, I think it's very important that you select the right broker. Now, I had also made a video about how to select a broker, and I dropped the link to that video in the description box below. And the other thing to consider if you're wanting the best execution for your trading robot is using a VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Server. And this is quite simply just a computer which sits on the internet. You have a remote control session to it, and all it does is trade. So it doesn't interfere with sending emails or surfing the web, watching YouTube videos, or whatever else you do on your main computer. This machine is dedicated to just running and executing your trades. And the other beauty with selecting the right type of VPS server is that these servers will sit in the same data center as your broker, so you get really good connectivity or internal network speeds as opposed to running through the internet. And as we all know, internet can go down, and the last thing you want is for the internet to go down whilst your trading robot is trying to execute a trade. Backtests. So if you're not familiar, a backtest is a simulation of the trading robot on past historical data. So when I say, starting with $10,000 from January 2020, what this means is that the computer has run the trading robot on historical data from the date January 2020 to whenever I selected, and I selected July 2020. So 7 months. I put the trading robot against historical data to see what happened, and using the settings which I created through an optimization process, I managed to turn the $10,000 into $18,700, so an 87% gain on the capital. And you'll see in red at the bottom there of the slide deck a disclaimer. So backtests are against historical data. We never really know what the future holds. We don't really know what the data will do and what charts will do. All we can really do is extrapolate from the past into the present, and this is called forward testing. So when you're running or testing your system in live after back testing, you should always do either demo testing or live testing with a small account, just to make sure that the trading robot is exhibiting similar results to the back test. And once that is done, then you can go live with a much larger amount. Or what a lot of people do is start small, and as it grows, gradually scale in and increase lot size. And now looking at the backtest data in more detail. For those familiar with Strategy Tester Report, this is what is created by the Metatrader platform in the strategy tester. You can do this yourself. The only difference is that I am using something called Tick Data Suite, which gives you far better data quality for simulation. And if you're serious about doing this, then I thoroughly recommend looking at this product, but that'll be something for another video. So going down the back test, I'm using USD JPY, so that's the dollar yen pair on the 15-minute chart. You can see that I'm testing from January 2020 to June 2020, so actually 6 months, not 7 months, which I mentioned before. And we are getting 99% modeling quality here, well 99.9% modeling quality. If you're running the standard MetaTrader 4, sometimes you get nothing, sometimes it's 90%. I think 90% is max you can get, but even then it's not that great. You think 90% is great, but it isn't. Initial deposit, that's our 10k starting simulation amount, and our total net profit is $8,720. Profit factor 1.61, which we've mentioned previously. In terms of the profitable trades, 54.7% are winning trades. The largest profit trade is 500, and the largest loss trade is 407. So you see that the wins are greater than the losses, not by a factor of anything, but just slightly more. But because there is a slightly higher win percentage, this makes it profitable. Now, if you look at the equity chart, you can see that for the first 50 odd trades, it doesn't really do too much. But then on after that, it starts to shoot up, consolidates a little bit, but then continues to go straight up. And this is another trading system which I do like. It's not a martingale or a grid type system. It's using a standard indicator, but we've optimized it for the best settings for that date. So yeah, I mean, I want to do another video shortly, and one of the reasons why I've used dollar yen is we can now combine the different trading systems to get something else, and we'll talk about that in the next video. As mentioned, this trading robot is completely free. You can get it from this website, as you can see, https://quivofx.com/expert-advisor/MACD-EA. And once you're there, download the free and basic version. You don't need the other version. So once you've got that, download, install onto your platform, and then you need the set file or configuration file from the link you can see, https://bit.ly/2yxmxdg, or you can just simply click on the link in the description below to download it. You will need to put in your email address, but then you can download the set file to give you the same configuration for the same results, and off you go. I would recommend certainly running your own backtest if you're not using the same broker as I am, and then demo testing live with a small account before fully committing with a larger account. And finally, thank you for watching. I wish you the very best in trading, and I hope that these videos really help you reach your trading goals. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below this video. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It would really help me out and fuel me to keep going. See you at our next video. Bye.